driving to little town Gilbert where I live at. It is right around 45 minutes from where I live at. I am meeting a couple to buy a chainsaw from them. This guy has several nice chainsaws actually, but I'm only buying one from him. If I had more money, I would probably buy 3 or 4 more, but I'm not. And it's Christmas Eve, so I'm just gonna stick to that one. Hope everybody has a good Christmas this year. But let's keep driving. Okay, I made it home. Yeah, there's a saw running in the background. I did some stuff to it and I need to let it idle. This I've never had one of these saws before. I've always wanted one, and I can't believe how light they are. But I got this thing for a really good price. So this was actually my Christmas present to me. So let's check it out. Yep, it's a ProMax 700. I've always wanted one of these saws, and it's in great condition. The guy that I got it from has a mower shop where he just buys and rebuilds, and this thing does run. Looks like somebody took good care of it, and it's got a brand new chain on it, Oregon chain. It's one of those safety chains. Hard nose bar, 20-inch bar. The only thing is I don't have the assembly for the chain brake itself, but I've never owned one of these saws before, so looking forward to using it and checking it out. Nice Oregon bar, hard nose. Got some fuel in it. Let's see what she does now. Had to mess with the carb. The older saws are easier to tune. The newer ones, not so much. But man, that thing sounds freaking awesome. It runs really good. Just had to tweak it a little bit, you know, get it to run. But ProMax 700. It's the first one I've ever owned. I had a ProMax 800. I used it a couple times. Owned it for about a month and then had to sell it. But yeah, awesome saw. To the next video, you guys have one today. Biggest piece of garbage I've ever ran in my life.